Hey going guys, it's Luke Mead here, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to get clients for your online business. So if you haven't watched the previous episodes in this series, this is my online wedding directory that I've built, and it's full of passive income now. It's making passive income now because I've got wedding venues signed up and paying to be on this wedding directory. Now in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how I got clients for a cheap price or for free for this business. So let's get straight into it, guys. The first thing I did for this business to get clients is cold email marketing. Now this is a template that I used and it worked really well. I'll explain to you a little bit. Start off with a simple hello, insert their name. I introduce myself and the brand, Fleurieu Wedding Guide. I then tell a little bit about what we do. We're an online wedding directory based on the Fleurieu Peninsula. And then here's what we actually deliver to them. We help wedding businesses get more clients through our directory. So that's what they care about. And we need to make sure we include that in the video. If you're interested, I'm happy to set you up for a free 7-day listing. And then that is the kicking offer. That's the exciting bit that drags them in, because there's no expense. You're not asking for anything, you're giving them something. So you've got to make sure in your cold email template that you're using to your clients that you've got to offer something that they're actually going to care about. And then I simply say something nice like speak soon, cheers, Luke, and then leave a link to the business. Now, if you're looking for businesses to email and do cold emailing with, the best place I've found to get them is quickly go to Google Maps and search in the category you're looking for. In my case, if I went for wedding businesses, Fleurieu Peninsula, Google will give me some options that I can use. If I just say wedding venues, for example, and then Google will spit me out a heap of places. I can quickly open these up, have a look at their website, and go on here and find an email that I can use to send my cold template to. And there it is, there's the email. And that's how easy it is to get an email and send it. And if you don't know their name, in this case, I'll just say something like hello team at ... This way that you're being quite broad and helping everyone out. Now I've had great results with this, and this is probably the best way you can do it. It's the cheapest, it's free, you cannot go wrong. The next best option for you out there, if you don't want to spend money, is getting into a publication. In this case, because the business I'm running is based on the Fleurieu Peninsula, even though it's online, I went to fleuriepeninsula.com, which is a government run initiative to promote the Fleurieu Peninsula, and I reached out to them and said, hey, if I wrote you a blog article, would you promote it on your site? All I want is that at the end of the blog article, I'm going to link back to my website here, which is the link. So I did this. I reached out to fleuriepeninsula.com, sent them an email, sent them the blog article, sent them the photos, attached the link at the bottom, and they said, great, of course we'll post that, because why wouldn't they? They want to have more content on their website, and they're happy if someone supplies it, and if it's high quality, then you win. Now, the great thing about this is that people will read this and they'll click through at the end and go, oh, I'll go visit this website. Or the other option is, or not the other option, but the other effect of this link is that this is great for your SEO and will boost your website higher up in the search rankings for this keyword here. So it's super important that you use the right keyword. Now, that's another free option for lead generation. The third option that I use, that is the paid option, is Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads work really well because you can target specific niches and specific people. I've got other videos about that, so I won't go into detail in this video. But what I do want to show you is that in this Facebook ad, like the email, the cold email, I've made sure to include a hook that's going to bring people in and make them click on the ad. In this case here, you can see, register your interest to receive a free 7-day listing on the Fleurieu Wedding Directory. That free 7-day listing is going to make people stop if the ad applies to them and click on it and maybe explore the idea a bit more. If I were just running a general ad that said, see the Fleurieu Wedding directory, the response rate would be less because there's less reason for people to stop. So you've really got to offer something strong in your Facebook ads if you want them to stop and pay attention to you. Now, to recap this video quickly, number one thing for B2B lead generation, cold emailing. Give it a crack, trust me, send 50 emails and see what the response is. You can send 50 emails in an hour, hour and a half. So give it a try, it's free and it really works. Make sure that the email you're sending it from is a legit email. In my case, it was luke@fleurieuweddingguide.com. Don't have a Gmail account used there. The next thing to try again with is publications, whether it's online or in person, like a magazine. Reach out to them, supply them an article and include a backlink at the end of it. And then the third one is Facebook ads. They really do work in this case because I've had responses from them. Give it a crack. And that's guys, how I built my Fleurieu Wedding directory and got clients for it. And as you can see, these options are really cheap. You can spend $1 a day on these ads, cold emailing's free, and getting to a publication's free. It's just your time. I hope this video helped you guys with getting clients for your online business. These are 3 strategies that are really foolproof and you got to give it a crack. And they're also low cost. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you all next time. Ciao, ciao.